Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to filter phone call on your iPhone iOS 26. So simply at first open your settings, press on general. So after update, make sure to update your iOS 26. I'm already updated my iOS 26. So go back, open your settings, scroll down, press on apps, scroll down and you just find here your phone apps. Open this, scroll down, showing a to screen unknown caller. Now I am select the neighbor option, so you just select this option. When you select, then filter the unknown caller or select the silent, but better option, select this and make sure to turn on unknown caller and make sure to turn on unknown caller filtering and turn on to live voicemail option. You just change these three settings. Okay, live voicemail enable, select this option and enable this option, then successfully turn on this option.